Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I wanted to do a quick Skiff washers swap. I believe these are the washers that are going to fit this knife. We're going to give it a try and see what happens, alright? And I believe these are all T8s, so we're going to go ahead and with T8s. This is the QSP Traditional Pocket Knives exclusive. It's Jigged titanium M390 blade steel. So let me go ahead and just start taking this apart. I believe these are all T8s. Let's take a look and see if these are a fit. So first of all, I want to see if it fits over the pivot. It does. That's a good sign. Let's clean one of these so we don't transfer all that oil and stuff to the knife. Oh, that's probably a good sign. So let's see. All right, let's clean this up a little bit, and then we'll assemble this. There's a stop pin, and let's get this washer off too, so we can clean underneath, because it is dirty. Yeah, look at that. All right, just cleaning up some stuff on there. I don't remember if this is the cat. Oh, got to clean the outside. Alright, so the flat part goes toward the end. Because this is flat right here. You can see that. Blade is dirty. Oh man, a lot of thick oily stuff in there. So just so you can see how bad these washers were. This is all the stuff that's inside of them. If I were to clean this right here, you can see all that stuff coming off. Don't even know if I got it all. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. All right, so let's put a little oil in there. All right, so that's the regular oil for the washers. Now I'm going to put a little oil here for the detent ball. Okay, just a little dab. Yeah, I figured it was going to fall off. Let's put that on there. Come on, there we go. I just got to line that flathead, that flat part of the pivot screw, the D shape or whatever you want to call it, to line into the hole here. All right, I think we're in. So in order to make sure that's secure, let's put a little bit of Loctite. Loctite 242. Do recommend this stuff. Okay. Just a little drop. All right, we're nice and centered. Let's make sure we don't have any blade rock. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, so that's definitely the washers for sure. So great. We can confirm that. Man, these are just disgusting washers though. They were so dirty. My goodness. I don't know if I can get these clean. No, I'm not going to try. It'd be too much of an effort unless I put them back, right? And I use those washers for something else. Take out those skiffs and put something else in there. So let's go ahead and we'll just note that these are the washers, like this. That way I can let Steve Skiff know who makes these washers, because I don't think he's listed these yet. So I'll get a chance to confirm that these are the right washers for it. All right, well, that's it. That's what we do. We just clean it. I already tuned this knife, so there's no need to tune it. It's tuned beautifully. It's buttery smooth. And with the skiffs in there, yeah, it's even more buttery smooth. And I love the acoustics on this knife. Really, really nice. Yeah, definitely. So anyways, so that is the Skiff washers. We put in the 5mm 0.201 inner diameter, 0.335 outer diameter. The thickness is 0.035 inches. Ball count is 15, and the balls are 3/64 of an inch. And very, very thin ones, but man, having the extra ball count 15, I think here that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, so 9. So we essentially doubled the ball count, which is going to give it just a nicer, smoother action. And yeah, it's dead center. If you look at it, I do think the tip is not, you'll notice the tip here is a little longer edge on this side than it is on this side. And so when I reprofile the edge, I'll be able to level that out. But for now, I have to center it really by the blade and not necessarily the tip. So that's the important thing. Yeah, so if you found this video interesting, helpful, useful, informative, entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And then if you've already hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Liking and subscribing these videos really helps the channel, helps me to produce more content, to do more things, and have more reach, and get more things to work on and share with you guys. And if you like this so much and you've subscribed, maybe consider hitting the notification button so you can be notified of future content. If you've done all that, maybe check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. That's again on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.